Hi friend, I Dr. Anil Srivastav, my own channel ultrasound case filed by Dr. Anil Srivastav. Today I am going to present a unique case that chronic cholecystitis with cholelithiasis with dilated IHBR with choledochal cyst with portal vein thrombosis and with portal prominent hepatic artery. This is small contracted gallbladder having stones in it giving acoustic shadow. These are the dilated IHBR in both lobe of liver, right as well as in left lobe of liver. This is portal vein and there is thrombus in it, obscuring in blood flow. This is the choledochal cyst in pancreatic part of CBD. This is the common bile duct dilated at the porta with prominent portal vein with portal thrombosis. Here it is the dilated CBD and calculus at the pancreatic part of CBD. There is small amount of ascites. This is the uterus, bladder and the free fluid in pouch of Douglas. This is a small video. You can see dilated IHBR in both lobe of liver with a small contracted gallbladder here with calculus, and this is a choledochal cyst in proximal and pancreatic part of CBD. This is dilated CBD. This is portal vein. There is portal vein thrombosis as well. This is pancreatic part of CBD. This is dilated. This is the calculus in pancreatic part of CBD. This is pancreas. This is calculus in CBD. Dilated IHBR. This is choledochal cyst in pancreatic part of CBD with this is portal vein thrombosis. You can see prominent hepatic artery as well to fulfill the demand of the liver. It gets dilated, and since there is portal vein thrombosis, so you can see this is the hepatic artery. This is hepatic artery. This is portal vein. There is thrombus in the portal vein and the hepatic vein, hepatic artery. This is dilated CBD with choledochal cyst formation. This is the portal vein thrombus. This is choledochal cyst. This is aorta. This is IVC. This is dilated CBD. So fusiform choledochal cyst, and this is there the. Thanks, friend.